1969 Ford Mustang GT Fastback or sports roof here at Unique Classic Cars. Yes, real deal GT does come with a Marty report, and we'll get into that in just a little bit. Date code correct, S code 390 with a mild cam. Both the engine and trans have been rebuilt. 4-speed manual transmission, power steering, power brakes. And yes, all of those items are confirmed on the Marty report. Let's take a look at this chrome bumper. As you can see, white with the flat black highlighted hood pins. Chrome in the bumper looks good. 390, the hood scoop. Rotisserie restored in 2024. Check out the still pictures. You're going to be able to see the underside, the interior, engine bay, trunk. All the still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. Of course, you can call us, 507-386-1726. Of course, the GT wheels, BF Goodrich radials. Let's take a look down this passenger side. Larger brakes were added. Brakes are 100% in the front and the rear, by the way. One thing noted by the technician, reverse lights were not working. As you can see, this passenger side free of any major nicks, dings, scratches. All right, that Marty report, we'll have it in with the still pictures, so you're able to take a peek at it there. You want to see exactly how this car was equipped when it was new. There's that 4-speed manual shifter on the floor, and yes, this car came with the 4-speed transmission as well as that S code 390. Take a look at the chrome rear bumper. It does have dual exhaust, MagnaFlow mufflers, 325 rear gear ratio. And it is a more recent rebuild on the engine and tranny. The engine still has the fresh engine rebuild oil in it, Valvoline ZR1. So that can be running it a bit longer and then converted out. Once again, all those still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Let's take a look down this driver's side. Again, you can see the paint shows well on this side. If you like Mustangs, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you'll see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. Videos are uploaded daily. When these videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase. And that can be done online or right off our showroom floor. And again, free of any major nicks, dings, scratches. Let's check out this interior. Of course, black vinyl, seatbelt still intact. Door panels looking good. No rips, tears, holes, the vinyl seating surface. And you'll be able to see this interior from every angle. Radio does work, wipers work. There are a few aftermarket gauges underneath the dash that are working. And that was temperature gauge, oil pressure, I believe volts. We'll check it out here in a second. Let's fire it up and I'll show you that little aftermarket gauge. That's water, volts, and oil pressure. 390 rebuilt mild cam. Let that warm up just a little bit, and as you can see, retro sound style radio, and this is working. Just get it to a station. We'll come in here quick. That one will. Radio working. Aftermarket gauge, as I mentioned, down there. Dash. Also nice shape. Nice throttle response. That 390 with a mild cam. All right, we're gonna go ahead and get this hood open. So give me a second, take a couple hands to get the hood pins out. We're gonna check out that engine bay. And then if you stick around to the very end of this video, yes, Jason will take it for a drive, show you how it goes down the road. All right, there's the underside of the hood. So obviously nice shape also. Again, restoration work done in 2024. There it is, a 390. You can see that thing is running smooth, especially with that cam in there. Nice, clean, tidy engine bay. Be a great car for your local roll-ins, cruise-ins, local shows. Battery disconnect for when it's in storage or in between drives. Got a little chance to warm up, and that baby is running nice. All right, stick around a little bit longer. Like I said, Jason's going to take it for a drive. It's the real deal. 1969 Ford Mustang GT S-Code. Good-looking fastback. 4-speed manual. That is the way it came. See the Marty report, the still pictures. UniqueClassicCars.com is where they can be seen. Number to call, 507-386-1726. And yes, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
A few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt,
gas it.
Welcome to Motorhood.
Today we're driving a 1969 Ford Mustang. This is a 4-speed manual on the floor. A little bit of slack in the steering, not too much to cause too much trouble. We have a retro sound style digital radio. Our turn signal indicator is working. It's a strong running Mustang. It really wants to get going. Up to speed quickly, and it sounds amazing, which makes it a fun to drive car. A little bit of slack in the steering is not enough to cause too much trouble. Nice road feel. Feels the way a Mustang should from 1969. You're at one with the road, but it does absorb the imperfections pretty well. Our tachometer is working, the speedometer is also working. Down under the dash we have an oil pressure gauge showing 60 to 70 psi. The volts are charging over 14. And the water temperature is about 180 and rising. We'll go into second gear for the traffic circle. This car's got all the right looks going. The flat black stripe in the center of the hood pins. It's a fastback, it's a stick shift. It's ready to take you back to 1969. Check out all the pictures of this 69 Mustang at UniqueClassicCars.com.